everyone, welcome to your channel Precision Fun. Today we'll talk about concentration and focus. These days people find it difficult to have concentration and focus, but then there are ways and means which we can follow. So to maintain concentration, it is important to have a timetable. When you have a timetable, you follow the routine, and when you follow the routine, the work gets completed on schedule. The other thing is that you need to have a professional work environment, and this means that it is a stress-free environment and it is noise-free. Practice makes a man perfect. This means it will help you to concentrate. Regular interval breaks, they are equally important as it will refresh your mind. Meditation, kindly try this because it is free and it helps to soothe your nerves, which will make you calm, confident, and it will purify your mind. Don't mix work with play. It leads to nowhere. Playing is good when the work is done. So, concentration is the mental ability to direct one's power towards the goal. Now we'll talk about focus. There are two easy ways to be focused. The first one is that we need to measure our goals. This means that we have to be smart, and smart means start with a specific outcome in mind. Make sure it is measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely to your existing schedule. Writing. Sometimes people find it difficult to focus. So the best thing what you can do is you can write down the points. Your brain will help you to slowly think and you will reason. And as a result, your ideas will come into place.